from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Renault Megane here, Mark III, on a 2009 plate. Now this model here goes up till 2016, so 2009 to 2016. Now I've already done a few videos on this, so they'll all be marked as part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 on this particular model. It's a position lamp on the front, main dip bulb on the front, and if you wanted the full beam and everything else replaced as well at the same time, you can do that. It's by how removing the headlight unit itself. And I've done the tail light, brake light on this side. So I'm going to do this one now. To do it, it is a simple procedure. So, and this will be a part 4. On the inside, just get the camera. So you've got a screw right there, and then you've got a screw just behind this. So if I get the camera right in there, and then you can see it. So that's the one we need to undo. So if you just hold this right here. So I'll take this top one out first. They can be a little bit tight, so you've got to wedge your fingers in and just turn it to your left, anti-clockwise. This one here, on the one that I'm doing now, take it out all the way. So that's out the way, and do not drop it wherever happens. But with that one, while I'm undoing it, I'm pushing the light unit sort of out as well at the same time. There we go. Now you can see the whole unit is out. Got to be careful with it as well, because this one's all moving about for some reason. So now you can see this is a screw here. That's the bolt. I mean the studs are sticking out. So point of locations, one on this side, one on that side as well. So these are the point of location. Now you can take the plug out, wedge a screwdriver in there, take the plug out and work on it on the table if you did want it to. But I'm just going to push this clip out, light out, clip out, light out, clip out, light out as well. Now just remember, when you're pushing these little clips, be very, very careful. And this thing here is all moving about, so I'm going to just leave it like that for a minute. Bulb you need is the 380 bulb, which is this one right here. That's for the rear tail light, position lamp, parking lamp, whatever you can call it, and the brake light as well. So there's only one way they would go. So you've got the bulb, get it out, and then that's it. And then get the light. Like I said, this thing here is broken, so I'm going to have to be careful putting it back together. And remember the seal here as well. So this is the seal. So you got to make sure the seal's in there as well. It's all intact. If it isn't, then you got a problem. So the light would only go one way as well. So if I slot it in, and you'll hear a click. That's it. That's it. That's it as well. Now what I need to do is I need to wedge it in from this end first. So I line it up like this, and then the whole thing is lined up. Pushed in, job done. And Bob's your uncle again. Right, I'm going to screw this one in first. Okay, right on the inside there. So that's a bolt hole, you can see. So I'll do this one in first, then it's all nice and tight. The next one, I've already shown you where it is, so I'm sure you guys can work it out. Now I need to work it out myself. Here we go, I got it in there. And that's screwing in nicely. So make sure it's all nice and tight. That's it, I'll just snip it up. So we're just going to check now. Make sure it's working. So, I'm going to press the brakes. Start again. Now pressing the brakes. As you can see, they're working now, both of them. That's all it was on this particular model. It's a Renault Megane Mark III 2009 to 2016. Do check out the playlist for Renault. So this will be in part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. This one's a part 4 now. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video. Thank you and goodbye.